it's been ages and ages since I've done like a collective haul, like a normal small collective haul and stuff like that. You know, those cute old YouTube days when we used to just shop for one day and be like, hey, I have a haul. I haven't done that in a while, so I thought today we'll do that. So I have like it's not a huge haul, it's like a normal 1 day, 2 days sort of a haul. Before starting with this video, I would like to say that this is everything that I bought myself. Nothing is like PR or anything. I have a separate section for PR. I do what's in my mail, that's PR. This is all like spent money, and I'm still waiting for my Kylie orders, emphasis on orders, and my Colourpop orders. So yeah, so that will be done when they arrive, like in a makeup haul. But right now I have a collective haul, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of clothing, just like a normal haul. So I would like to start off with H&M. So I went to H&M and they had this amazing mid-season sale going on, and I got such amazing deals, like I can't even believe that I got them. So the thing with me and H&M is that I never get anything there, at least for me. Like I never ever get anything, and whenever I see something on someone and I ask them, oh that's really nice, where did you get that from? And they're like, H&M or Zara. Zara and H&M are like the same for me. I'm not a very big fan of Zara, don't kill me for that. I just feel their clothing is too basic for the price that they charge. Anyway, without any further ado, I'm just gonna start with whatever I got from H&M. I'll start off with this thing, which was basically a steal. So like I didn't like store lift or anything like that, but I got this fedora hat. I think it's called a fedora, I'm not too sure, but yeah, it's like a proper hat with dents and everything. And this was originally meant for like 1500 rupees or something, and I got it just for rupees 150, like you can see here. And I asked the person twice, like this is the right tag, right? It's not like something wrong, because all of the other hats were like 850, 750, stuff like that, like 50% off. And he was like, yeah, this is the only piece that's like at this price. And I was like, add to bag. So yeah, it's a really cute hat. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, it matches the background. Anyway, I'm not really sure how I look in that. I got it because I was like, oh, it's about 150. I will like, I'll at least like click out a photograph with it or something like that. So that's why I got this one, because I was like, just get it, it's for 150. What else you can ask for? Like you generally pay 150 in Sarojini or Karol Bagh market for stuff like this. So, and that's not even good quality. This is really good quality. So that's why I got this, and I'm so happy I got it at this price. So yeah, we have that. Then I got a lot of sweaters, because I am currently obsessed with oversized sweaters. Like they're not even sweaters, you can wear them all weather. Not in June, July, just like clarifying that out. And because I am traveling pretty soon, I'm not too sure when this video will go up. Probably I've already like would have come back from there, but the temperature right now right there is like 13 degree, 14 degree, very pleasant. So these sweaters are like amazing for that weather. So I got this beautiful baby pastel pink sort of a sweater. It's an oversized sweater. It's not actually oversized. I got the extra large or large size because I wanted to be oversized, and this was originally meant for 1800 rupees, but I got it just for 500 rupees, and the material is just so good, you guys. Like I cannot even tell you. It's just a very beautiful color and very good material. So I got that. And then I got a pista green sweater. This is a different material altogether, and this one was meant for again 1800 rupees, and I got it for 500, so I'm really happy. Again, this is an oversized sweater. I love wearing oversized sweaters with like you know, just jeggings or jeans or whatever. So this is again a green, pista green, very beautiful colors. I love the color combinations and stuff like that. So I got that. Then I got this cardigan. This was originally for 800 rupees, and I got it for like 350 rupees. So it was a steal again, and this is what it looks like. It's just a plain white basic cardigan. Just a basic clothing piece. You can wear it on flights or just, you know, while you're traveling and stuff like that. And it can like jazz up any outfit or whatever you're wearing. And the last thing I got from H&M, obviously not the last, my mom also picked up umbrellas because they were on sale and she was like, need. So yeah, the last thing in like fashion wise I got was this dress. It's a plain normal, you know, slip dress. It was originally for 1000 rupees. I got it for 350 rupees, and it's just a plain black normal dress. You can jazz it up with denim jackets and stuff like that. So I got that, and that is everything that I got from H&M. Now moving on to, or like in fashion category, now moving on to makeup, I got some really exciting things. The first thing that I got was Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So this internet blew up when this was launched, and it was apparently a limited edition, but they decided to come out with it again because obviously money makes you do that. But anyway, this is what the palette looks like. It's a beautiful palette and it smells just so good. Like, oh, I love it. All of the makeup that I'm mentioning is something that I bought from Beauty by India. They are original resellers, like they're not official or authentic resellers. By that I mean the companies haven't authorized them, but they buy from the site, they give you all of the receipts and everything, and you can match the barcodes to check if the product is original or not. So everything according to that is like completely fine. They take care of your customs and everything, so it's a lot less of an hassle. So yeah, I got the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, the first thing. Then I got two things from Jeffree Star. I really liked his androgyny liquid lipstick, so I got Red Rum as well. Now I know a lot of people have like, he's a racist, don't support him. So as a beauty vlogger, I also have another duty, that is to try out new products in the market and see how they work. And he has owned up to his mistakes and he said sorry and everything. I think we should put it behind us. I know people have different opinions about it, and that's what they are, their opinions, and I have my own. So let's just not talk about that. Let's just keep it a makeup place, a happy place, and move on with it. So yeah, I got Red Rum. This is what it looks like. I will include a swatch photograph for you all to see because I have flipped swatches of almost everything. So yeah, that is what Red Rum looks like. Then I got his Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. I also wanted to get King Tut and a couple of other shades, but those are still in transit for Beauty by India as well. So this is what Ice Cold looks like. Again, a swatch will be right here, don't worry. And it's quite a big pan and they have a nice size mirror and it's very clear, almost too clear. I don't want it to be too clear. So yeah, it's a very big pan. I got that. I'm not too sure about the pricing because I paid like a lump sum price for everything. So I forgot the, you know, individual prices, but I will try and write it somewhere here or in the bottom bar for you guys. And then to finish off this haul, you know, quick haul, as I said, I have two liquid lipsticks. Both are by Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lipsticks. I love her Lolita, so I had to get other shades as well. So there is Lolita 2 as well, and this is what it looks like. I will have a swatch comparison photograph right here for Lolita and Lolita 2, so you guys can see what Lolita and Lolita 2 both look like. So this is what Lolita 2 looks like in the tube. And then the last thing is a Double Dare, again an Everlasting liquid lipstick by Kat Von D, and as I said, they have all of the barcodes and everything here, so you can like completely check and everything, cross check. So this is what Double Dare looks like, and the swatch so that you can see what it looks like on the skin and everything. So yeah, that is everything that I bought in the recent, you know, scenario. I'm waiting for my orders like so bad. I don't know why they're still not here. I ordered Kylitos and Lip Velvets and Coco Collection and whatnot, and it's just still not here. But as soon as they're here, I will show it to you guys. Let me know if you would like me to buy any more stuff. I would love to buy more stuff. I love buying more stuff. And yeah, I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.